Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up higher yesterday with wheat leading the way to the upside. Really deteriorating crop conditions and then of course the situation over in Ukraine and Russia really supporting wheat prices right now. Highest levels we've been since 2013. So definitely supportive for wheat prices out there right now. So far this morning though, we're a little mixed. We've got corn and wheat slightly lower while beans are higher. We did get export sales released this morning. They were above expectations across the board. So we'll have to see how, obviously the market's been trading for a little bit since those have been released. They come out at 7:30, so the market's had 15 minutes to digest them. We'll see how the market acts after the pit actually opens here at 8:30, see if it can take it a little higher in the corn and wheat market based on those above expectations on the export sales. And we also got news at 8 a.m. that China bought some new crop beans. They bought 120,000 metric tons of 2014-2015 delivery soybeans. Not getting any of those cancellations that the trade has been looking for. So we'll have to see how that pans out. There is actually some talk that we're buying some of the canceled China beans from South America. So South America obviously had some beans going to China. If you've been watching the Wilkins Ag Wire, you know that they've been defaulting or canceling some of those purchases. But it looks like the U.S. is stepping in and buying some of those beans. So that could bring up imports. And if the balance sheet stays the same and we just leave imports how it is, could be a little bearish on prices. But we'll have to see how that all pans out. And again, coming down the pipe later this month, we've got the quarterly stocks and planning intentions report. Continue to get some estimates throughout the trade on that. Been coming for a while now and will continue to come up until we get that report. Over here at Daniels Ag Services, we're around 81 million planted acres for soybeans and around 92 million planted acres for corn. So the consensus, we've seen anywhere as high as 83 for beans and as low as 90 for corn. Seen as low as 79 for beans and seen as high as 394 for corn. So going to get a range of estimates across the board. As we get some averages, we'll definitely let you know what the trade's expecting as we get closer to that March 31st report. So that's all we've got for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.